Just days after India's monopoly watchdog slapped a 1,700 crore rupee penalty on Coal India for monopolistic practices and abusing its dominance in the market, the government has now moved to fix this situation. In a huge shot in the arm for companies like Hindalco, Tata Steel, JSPL, Reliance Power, top sources tell ET now that the public-private partnership model for coal mining is now in its final stages. Nithya Balakrishnan joins us now with exclusive details on this development. Nithya, what are the contours of the proposed PPP policy?
Well, Aisha, clearly the government is not very comfortable with the kind of penalty that Coal India has got from the Competition Commission on counts of monopoly and, of course, abuse of its dominant position, which is why they're working overtime to actually ensure that the private-public partnership format is in play when it comes to the coal mining sector. What we're given to understand from top government sources is that they have identified 5 to 6 coal blocks of 20 million tons reserves for phase 1 of the PPP format. They believe it will be a win-win for Coal India as well as the private players, simply because they believe at the end of the day it will be Coal India that will be the sole owner of the mining license when it comes to this crucial coal block. Coal India will have to go out and ensure that land acquisition is done in place. It will have to go ahead and get environment and forest clearances. All of this will be Coal India's responsibility. Where the private player is benefited is because it significantly reduces his risks. We're given to understand the private player will be given 15 to 20 years depending on the lifespan of the coal block to come in, bid on a per ton basis and actually explore that coal block. So they believe that since they will not have to go out for any kind of regulatory clearances, they have significantly reduced risks for private companies, which is why they believe that more and more takers in initial talks with players like JSPL, Hindalco, Tatas, as well as Reliance, they believe that they are going to come forth and seek keen participation once this policy is actually materialized. We're given to understand from top government sources that it will be in play as early as the beginning of next fiscal. Very clearly, they want to scale up domestic production, India being the 5th largest reserve holder when it comes to coal, but Coal India not managing to meet the demand for production. They believe this is the ultimate solution, joining hands of the private and the public players, and they hope to ensure that this takes place by as early as next fiscal.